So this is your access. You have your wire in. Apply manual pressure, and you put your introducer. You pull the wire, and then you apply your device. Any position with looking at the blood coming out, you can pull back and forth until you're in a good position, and then it's very simple. You just apply, and then just apply the clips where it's gonna just bite the arteriotomy and bring it all together. It's almost like a purse string in a way. So these active devices, you can see that there are multiple steps, right? And it has a steep learning curve. So it's good to have these hands-on in the station so we can understand and see what they're doing. And then we can, once you use it in your practice, you're gonna be more comfortable. So the ExoSeal is a simpler device, and you can see the steps. So this is your sheath. Apply the device to the marker, then you pull the sheath out. You're now positioned. And, once you're in a good position, you pull it all the way up, and you have your indicator wire. Once you start pulling it up, until there's no blood, so that you know that you're just at the wall. Because the blood comes from a side port. Once you feel that pressure, just depress the deployment button, and the plug is deployed. So it's very, very simple. It's 2 steps. And it's very nice for smaller arteriotomies. Okay, so